This is Darius from therabbitpat.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to work with templates in Google Drive. Have you subscribed to this channel yet? Please click that subscribe button below. That way you can be notified when I publish videos in the future. So if you are not familiar with templates, templates are documents that are pre-made that give you a starting point with which to work. For example, if you want to create a budget, you can use a budget template within Google Sheets. If you want to write a business letter, you can use a business letter template within Google Docs. And those same things apply with Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office, etc., etc. So I'm going to show you how to create templates in Google Drive's productivity apps. And if you want to use a template, all you have to do is select new from within Google Drive or even within Google Docs, Google Slides, or Google Sheets. And then click the arrow that is on the right side of that pull down menu. And you have an option here to use a blank document or to open a document from a template. You click from a template and up comes this template gallery that you can use to figure out which template you would like to use. So as we can see here, you have several different types of resumes you can use. You have different types of letters. You have a template that allows you to create a recipe and project proposals, etc., etc. So there's lots of options for different types of templates within Google Docs. And that same thing applies to Google Sheets and Google Slides and even Google Forms. So let's go into Google Sheets set of templates. So I'm going to do that same thing where I select that I want to open a new document in Google Sheets, and then I click that arrow, which takes me to the template gallery for Google Sheets. As you can see up here, there's a calendar, there's a budget here that I could use, and there's also, options to use to make an expense report and things like that. So let's say I want to create a budget. You select monthly budget, and then this handy dandy spreadsheet opens, and it looks beautiful. And all you need to do now is plug in the specific information that you need. And through this, you will create a budget and it'll look good. And it saves you the expense from having to build the budget or the document in general from scratch. Let's go back to Google Docs and let's look at one of the templates from there. Let's say that I need to update my resume. So I'm going to choose this resume right here. And now all you need to do is change the Latin that is here by default to whatever you want to add, and you have a resume without having to worry about fancy formatting because all of that is done for you. So that is how you use templates in Google's productivity apps. If you found this video helpful, please click that subscribe button and hit that like. And also when you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I publish videos in the future. And by the way, also be sure to visit my website at therabbitpat.com.